Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add payment methods on Temu. It's pretty simple. You want to click on You at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on Setting at the bottom. For some reason, if you don't see Setting over here, you can scroll a bit down and you will see it. And once you click on Setting, you will see the option called Your Payment Methods. Click on it. From over here, you can see the option called Add a Credit or Debit Card. Click on it. Once you click on it, you need to enter your card information, whether it's debit or credit card, just enter it. And over here, enter your card's expiration date. Once you do that, enter the 3 or 4 digit CVV number of your card and click on Add your card. Once you do that, if your card's information is correct, your card will be added on Temu and it's going to be used as a form of payment method. So I hope you understand how you guys can add payment method on Temu. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Temu related videos just like this. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.